just behind Max Cat, is his wonderful screen house. Just beyond the patio doors, a 12 by 12 screen house room made just for Max Cat to enjoy outdoors. How does he tell us? Because right there, the bottom of the patio doors on a string are the bells. And if Max Cat wants to go out, he simply has to ring the bell to tell us he wants to go out. Will that really happen? Now we have Max Cat and the hanging bell on the door. You want to go out? Come on, ring the bell. Good boy. That was very good. Great job, Max. Great job. And just for that, you get to go out to your screen house. He knows just where he's going. And let me open your door. And this is Max's outside universe. Happy as a lark. And that's it for today, Max. Enjoy the birds, the fresh air, and I'll see you later on one of those beautiful chaise lounges.